What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel where I talk about my travels and adventures and share them with you. Pizza and it's open until 3 a.m. so that's why we're here. Everything else is closed. That was just the first day. So we're gonna like to switch up our traveling style. Usually we like to go to multiple countries in one trip, but it gets exhausting. So every once in a while we like to take a cruise, which makes it more convenient for us. Sometimes we just like to go on a cruise instead because you technically only have to unpack once. You have everything at your fingertips and you get to have like a sampling of different countries all in one trip. And then also, not all cruise ships are created equal. Some people are like, ugh, cruises. If you've had a bad experience with a cruise or you've never been on one because you have some reservations, give it a shot or try another company because not all cruise ships or cruises are created equal. Some are geared towards a certain age group, some are family friendly, some are just for everyone. But yeah, give it another shot, try different types. In terms of cruises, we've been on Disney, Princess, Carnival, and then this is our first Royal Caribbean, and it was an amazing time. Within the next few weeks, every Tuesday I'm going to be releasing new videos from our trip. We went snorkeling in the Bahamas, we went to the beaches in St. Thomas, and then also we went to St. Martin. I'll show you more about the ship and what they offer because they even have zip lining, rock climbing, ice skating rink, and an actual park with live plants, and it looks gorgeous in the daytime and at night. Amazing restaurants that are included with your cruise ship price, and some specialty restaurants, but we'll get to that in a bit. But yeah, stay tuned every Travel Tuesday for new videos, and I can't wait to show you the rest of our trip. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from us, and check out the other videos on the side. Cheers!